And thank you so much for joining me on today's live stream right here on YouTube. Guys, as always, at the conclusion of this live stream, if you're looking to learn more about investing in tax defaulted real estate, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com. Again, that's taxsaleacademy.com. All right, guys, today is Friday. Specifically, it is Black Friday, which is the day immediately after Thanksgiving every year here in the United States. Now, in a few weeks, most of the country is going to be celebrating another holiday, which might be Christmas, Hanukkah, or whatever you might believe in. Then after that, we're going to be celebrating New Year's. Of course, I didn't shoot this to be a live stream to be like a calendar for you guys, right? But I did it to remind you that we are officially in the holiday season as of yesterday here in the United States, okay? Now, it's the time when people celebrate, they travel, they take time off work, they spend time with family and their friends. And I'll be the first person to tell you that all those things are extremely important in our lives in order to have balance. And there isn't a bigger advocate of spending time with family and friends than myself. But the question pops up time and time again. I actually got the question again yesterday, right? Yesterday morning on Thanksgiving, oddly enough. But they say, you know, as a tax sale investor, what happens around the holidays? Does it slow down? Do I just like stop? You know, what should I be doing? What about you, Casey? What do you do specifically? Well, first off, you have to understand that there are a number of holidays that will close county offices, like Thanksgiving, for example, right? It's just, you know, when there's a holiday, everybody shuts down, the county's not going to go to work that day, and there's nothing you can do about it, okay? It's also a time of year where a lot of counties will finalize a number of things unrelated to tax sales. A number of like in-house type stuff that they have to do before the end of the calendar year. And tax sales can often be pushed on the back burner, right? In fact, many counties won't even have any auctions at all during December or maybe even January, okay? But, and it's a big but here, guys, if they do schedule auctions around the holidays, right, and you can attend these auctions, it can really be a prime opportunity to bid on properties with the competition levels reduced substantially. And what happens is other tax sale investors, they're people too, right? They travel, they take time off work, and you know, a lot of people are just kind of generally lazy around the holiday season. So it's a great time to sneak in and snag a few properties with that reduced competition level. I was actually looking at an auction last week and actually started researching it this morning, and that auction is scheduled to take place on December the 22nd. Or I'm sorry, December the 27th. Which is the Thursday after Christmas. I think Christmas falls on a Tuesday, and this is a Thursday or something like that, right? So that falls prior to New Year's, so between Christmas and New Year's. This is also a very, very busy travel time for so many people. And what happens is, when people are traveling, that includes tax sale investors, so I can promise you, at that specific auction on the 27th, it's gonna set records for like attendance lows, and it'll also probably set records for how cheap the properties are selling compared to the rest of the year, just because there won't be that many people there, okay? So if you're in town and you're capable of attending any auctions, and there are properties at that auction that meet your specific investment objectives, then by all means, guys, make the effort to go to that auction and enjoy the benefit of everybody else traveling and you being able to pick up some cheap properties. Now, the second thing I want to address is for the areas that there are no auctions, or maybe there are auctions, but they just don't meet your investment objectives and you just kind of want to skip out, right? In addition to celebrating the holidays, many people also have quite a bit of downtime around the holidays. Maybe it's while, you know, you're sitting in the car traveling, or at the airport, or you're sitting at home with time off, whatever it may be. Obviously, this is going to be a great time to spend with family and friends, but it can also be a great time to invest in yourself. If you're interested in the tax sale business, it's a great way to begin learning about this business to help catapult you into the business come the New Year's. So many people will set New Year's resolutions, which are great. A common one is to earn more income, right? And obviously, I'm a huge advocate of tax sale investing. So why not take the downtime that you have during the months of, you know, late November, December, and invest in yourself by learning about the tax sale business? Guys, I've got 400 videos right here on YouTube. You can watch them on your mobile device as you travel. You can also listen to my podcast at taxsalepodcast.com. You can buy the Tax Sale Playbook. This book is $4.97 to cover shipping. The book itself is actually free. You know, if you want to take the next step, you can join the Tax Sale Academy. If you order this will come definitely in time for the holidays. The Tax Sale Academy, if you join it, you'll get immediate access. Here's the deal. I'm not plugging anything. In fact, 3 of the 4 that I just mentioned are completely free, right? I don't make anything off of them. What I'm here to tell you, though, is that you can actually go against the grain during this time of the year. The holidays are kind of an odd time where so many people kind of tend to be a little bit lazy. And then as soon as like January 1st hits, boom, they're supposed to change gears, go full speed and meet their resolutions to lose weight, make more money, or whatever else they may be, okay? And again, I'm a proponent for utilizing downtime for leisure activities and setting goals both. But with that said, with the holidays coming up and you have probably more downtime than you do the rest of the year, it can actually be a great way to utilize that to start the process to achieve those goals. Sure, spend time with the family when you can, but when everybody goes to bed, or maybe when you're riding the car or again sitting at the airport, whenever you have downtime with nothing going on, take it and utilize it. Take the time to learn. Use it so that when January 1st comes, you have something to build upon. Don't fall into the holiday rut of all play and no work. It's a great time to really have some free time that you can take advantage of. So if you do have, if you do take advantage of your downtime during this holiday season, I can promise you that come January 1st, you're gonna have a huge head start on everybody else. So guys, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful start to your holiday season. And again, if you have options that you can go to during the holiday season, by all means, make the effort to go there. If you don't have options, utilize this downtime that you have to learn about this incredible business. Guys, I look forward to seeing you on next week's live streams. And if you do enjoy these live streams, be sure to hit that thumbs up button just so we know that you find our trainings useful and we're able to make more for you in the near future. And of course, if you're looking to learn more about investing in tax defaulted real estate, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com. Again, that's taxsaleacademy.com. Have a great weekend, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.